Tonight, finally, we're gonna draw the first ever and best vertebrate. The first ancestor to all sea creature species. Tonight, we're gonna draw Haikouichthys, the first ever vertebrate. Drawing him is quite easy. Just gotta draw this one line. This creature was first founded, well, there's a reason why this creature was so, there's a reason why this creature is special. He's evolved a primitive backbone, and, well, this guy has been around since the Cambrian era. And to be honest, looking at this fish, it's very exciting, pretty amazing. I've always wanted to draw this guy. Awesome. It's amazing. We're gonna draw more than just one. We're gonna draw a lot. Oh. I know that. That sounds like... Was that Dad? Sounded like him. And done. There he is. This creature was first found in the early Cambrian. Wow. That was an old species.
I'm in Turkey's largest city, Istanbul, looking at the collection of Orientalist art here at the Fair Museum. I've discovered how the West's fascination with the East resulted in art that subtly, and sometimes not so subtly, asserted a sense of superiority. Now, I want to consider how Western artists could have differed with the Near East. I'm meeting Istanbul-based artist Arden Osmanov, who's inspired by
Man,
Orientalism.
evolution is so amazing.
Have to pick her the most.
All credit for this goes out to the creators of Walking with Monsters. If you're watching this, I hope you enjoy this show.